Hello everyone, welcome to AS online class and this is Narendra. So today the problem on ages. So one of the very important topic and you will get one question in every exams. Let it be SSC CGL, CHSL or banking or RRB or any other examination. But before that, one of the doubt asked by the question that asked by one of the student, I will clarify that and then I will move forward. He said that, Mr. Narendra, we know that 15th of August 1947, the India got independence and that is Friday. How do we calculate it? So allow me to explain this. Then we will go with the problem on ages. Most important topic. One question will be there from there. Okay. So I will explain this very quickly in a minute or so. So before you answer the question, my friend, those who ask the doubts to me, see that you are expected to know these codes. January is 0, February is 3, March is 3, April is 6, May is 1, June is 4, and July is 6, August is 2, September is 5, October is 0, November is 3 and December is 5. You are expected to know these codes. Very quickly you can answer the question if you know these codes. So now as I am dealing with the August, I will simply place the code of the August. The code of August, I can see that this is 2, so place the 2 over here. 2 plus 15. How much is that? 17. And when 17 divided by 7, my remainder will be, remainder will be 7 to 14 is taken out and the remainder is 3. So I get for this part, the number of odd days is 3. Okay, I'm just clarifying one of the dots student asked. And then for the year, I have to find out the odd days for 1946. So how do I get the 1946 odd days? For that you expected to know the very small things, that this is the fact. Thus every 100 years have 5 odd days, 200 years have 3 odd days, 300 years have 1 odd day, and 400 years and the multiple of 400 years has 0 odd day. If you know that for 1900 I need to find out the odd days for what? 1946. So I will calculate for 1900 and for 46, and 1900 can be written as 1600 plus 300, and 1600 is multiple of 400, so it is odd day is 0 and 300 has odd day 1. So the total I get the odd day 1 over here. And for not 49, 46 years. So for 46 years, those who ask the doubts, please watch this one. Even after this class, you can watch this. So 1946, I need to find out the odd days. So find out the number of 4s in it. I know the number of 4s are 11 and then divided by 7. So here I notice that this is 57 divided by 7. 7, 8 is 56. I get the 1 odd day. So how many odd days you got over here? So here I got the 1 odd day, here 1 odd day. For 1946, how many odd days? 2 odd days. So let's take the 2 odd days for this one. So here the total is 2 plus 3 is 5 odd days. And one more fact you are expected to know, that if the odd day is 0, it is Sunday. If the odd day is 1, it is Monday. If the odd day is 2, it is Tuesday, and so on and so forth. For example, 3 is Wednesday and 4 is Thursday. 4 is Thursday and 5 is Friday and 6 is Saturday. So these numbers, relation of the odd day and the number you are expected to know in order to answer the questions like this. So if the number of odd days is 5, what is the day? The day is Friday. The day is Friday. That's how you get the Friday. So one of the query I got that 15th of August 1946, I know Friday, but how do we get it? Okay, now for example, what is the today's date? Today's date is 22nd of May. Am I right? 22nd of May 2023. And what is the day? The day is Monday. So if I use this code, will I get the same thing? This is the last thing I wanted to share with you, and then I will move with the problem on ages. Okay, so let's see it. Now we are on 22nd of May 2023, and we know that today is Monday. So the Monday odd day 1 represents a Monday. So will I get the odd day 1? Let's check this one. So for this, what is the May code? I know the May code is 1. That is what you are expected to know. So here it is 1. So 22 plus 1 is 23 divided by 7. My remainder is 2 here. Okay. Now, what about the 2020? I need to take 2022, one previous year. Now, if you want the detailed explanation, the Aishwarya madam has nicely explained it on our paid course. You can go step by step over there. So, one previous year always. So, here it is 2022. For that, I need to find out the odd days for 2000 and for 22 years. So I know that 2000 is the 400 multiple, so it's a 0 odd day. And for 22 years, how many 4s are there here? 5 4s are there. So divide this by 5, add 5 and then divide it by 7. So I notice that this is the total is 27, and 27 when divided by 7, what will be the remainder? That remainder will be my odd days. The remainder is 27 divided by 7, the remainder is 6. So here I get the odd day 6. What is the total odd day? 2 plus 6 is 8. In other words, 8 divided by 7, the remainder is 1. And the 1 represents Monday. So today is Monday. Hope you are understanding it, my friends. Hope you are understanding it. Very good morning, Sumit Pawar. Very good morning. Okay. And Dhanlakshmi, very good morning. Very good morning. And KSV, very good morning. Old student, I am very happy to tell you that he has cleared the SBI PO this year. Wow. KVS. So, please contact me, sir. There's my number, the official number. That's 9989720003. Wow. Great congratulations, State Bank of India Provisionary Officer and my old student. That's great. That's great. I will personally wish to talk. And I also request, if you have any doubt, please post on my WhatsApp. I will definitely bring it to YouTube live class and I will clarify it. Right? The way I did it for one student has posted that 5th of August, the Monday, Friday, but how it comes, I don't know. So this is what the fact if you know, this is a fact if you know, and this is one fact if you know, you can answer the question. Any date is given, you can find out the day. And I am very happy, Vasu, I would personally like to talk to you, Vasu. I personally love, because I myself was a Bank of Baroda provisionary officer. Prior to that, I was a State Bank of India clerk. So I am very thrilled to notice that you cleared the examination. Okay. Now, so this is how we can find out that any date is given, the day can be worked out. Now I will start with the today's topic, the problem on ages, and please do not hesitate to post your doubt on this number. I will discuss it in our Age Online YouTube class. Okay, my friends. So you can note down this number, and my name is Narendra. Okay, let's move on that today's class. Amanji, very good morning. Namaste. And KVS rocked it. Chalo KVS, answer कीजिए आप इसको. What is the question? 3 years ago, the average age of the family of 5 members is 17 years. 3 years ago. The average is 17 years. So what will be the total 3 years ago? So 17/5 is 85. So it was 3 years back. Now what will be the present total? The present total will be, this is 3 years back. So everyone will, age will increase by 3 years. Everyone's age will increase by 3 years and today's date. And then how many members are there? 5 members are there. Every 5 members' age will increase by 3 months, means the total will increase by 3 into 5, 15. So add this 15 over here. That means the present total is 100. The present sum of the 5 members of the family is 100. Okay, what is next? A baby having been born, the average age of the family, the same today. So the baby has born, that means the number of person from 5, it's become 6. And the average remains same, the averages remain same as 17. So that is 6 members, the average is 17. The 6 into 17, Mr. Aman and Mr. Vasu, that comes 102. So look at this one. These 5 people, sir, total is 100 on today's date. Whereas, including the baby, the today's date total is 102. So what is the question is, what is the age of the child? So the age of the child is definitely the difference, that is 2 years, and your option choice is C. Yes? Okay, option choice C. Okay, Aman, well done, well done. So nice, so nice. And Vasu, really I am thrilled to talk to you. And Dhanlakshmi, very good morning, Dhanlakshmi. Very good morning. And please keep asking your doubts. We will be with you till you get the job. Today Vasu get the job, tomorrow Dhanlakshmi's turn is there. And so is Sumit Pawarji. Okay, so you can always contact me on this number. Post your doubts. We will discuss in YouTube class. Right, Dhanlakshmi? If you are agree, say yes in the comment box. Okay. Now moving to the next one here. Now this is the question. Let me read the question here. All my young friends, my term is over. I joined in State Bank. I joined in Bank of Baroda as clerk. I served over there. Now it is your term, Dhanlakshmi. Now it is your term, Mr. Sumit Pawar. Mr. Aman, the ratio of the A's age and the B's age is 4:5. The difference between the present age of A and B, A and B 5 years hence, B 5 years hence is 3 years. Then what is the sum of the present age of A and B? I will give 15 seconds for you to think about it. Please think of it. And before I answer the question. Come on, Dhanlakshmi, answer the question. Answer the question, my friend. Oh, 15 seconds is over. Okay. So now what is given to us is A is to B. So here it's a very important class today. A is to B is 4:5. The topic is not very difficult. It's easy, but one question comes in the exam. And it is said that the difference between the age of A minus the B 5 years hence. So B 5 years hence, B plus 5. And this difference is 3. Now the question is said that what is the sum? So can I open this bracket? So I will open this A minus Sumit Pawarji. Answer kijiye ise. So minus B minus 5 is equal to 3. I can see that the 5 goes the other side. I get that this is A minus B is equal to 8. Okay. The difference between A and B is 8, Dhanlakshmi. Am I right, madam? Now, what is the next one? It is said the ratio is 4:5. What is the difference in terms? One term difference. What is the age difference? 8 years. So one part is equal to 8 years. Then what will be 4 parts, then Lakshmi? 4 parts will be 8, 4, 32. What will be 5 parts, Sumit Pawar? So that is 8, 5, 40. What will be the sum, Aman? The sum is 9 parts. 9, 4, 36. What is the present age? 9. 9, 8, 72. Should be my answer. Okay, Aman, answer the question. Wow, great, great. Well done, well done. Let's see that. The Aman says option B. Anusha says option B. Anusha, well done, well done. How about Dhanlakshmi? Dhanlakshmi, please be here. I'm sure every day 1 hour we will together discuss the different questions, different chapter, and the rest part you prepare of your own. Now check, let's check the answer. Option B is correct or not? That's right, Mr. Aman. It's right. That's right, Anusha. Okay, well done, well done. Next question. Gets ready. Here, the present age of the father and son are is in the ratio of 6:1. 4 years after, this is the ratio, father and son. And 4 years after, the ratio of the age will become 4:1. Okay. So what is the son's present age? There are 2 ways to answer the question. I will give 15 seconds for you to think and then I will answer it. 10 seconds, 9 seconds. Yes, yes. Go on, my friends. Go on. Was it really Dhanlakshmi? Wow, option B. Great, great. Be with us. We all are the very experienced faculty. We will be with you in your preparation. So like Vasu, you also become the provisionary officer of a Reserve Bank of India. You can. Oh, over. 15 seconds. Now, what I noticed here, there is two ways to answer the question. Method 1, and the method 1 says that the father age, let's take the father by son. So I will consider the father age as 6x and the son's age as x. And it is said that after how many years? 4 years. So I will add the 4 over here. I will add the 4 over here. And the ratio is become 4:1, Mr. Aman, my friend from Bihar. Okay. Now, what is the second way to, by solving this, I will get the x value, and once I get the x value, I will get 6x or x. Now, I need to find out the son age. There is another way to answer the question. This is the shortest way to answer the question. What is the father and son's age ratio? Initially 6:1, Dhanlakshmi. And then after how many years? After 4 years, what happens, Anusha madam? So after 4 years, it is become 4:1. Now, what is the difference between these two terms? 5. So, multiply these terms by 5. So, it will become 5/4 is 20 and the 5/1 is 5. And the next one, please notice this. This all comes out of the experience, and this will help you a lot to answer the question in exam. What is the difference from here to here? So, that is 3. So, with 3 multiply this 6 and multiply 1. So, Dhanlakshmi, what happens? This 3 6 is 18 and 3 1 is 3. Now, you will notice, Sumit Pawar, that from here to here the difference is 2, from here to here the difference is 2. In both the cases, you will get the same difference. And how many years difference? 4 years difference. So, when 2 part is equal to 4 years, then 1 part will be equal to 2 years. Then 3 part will be equal to how many years? 6 years. That should be the answer. Let me see anyone answer the question. Arey wow, Subhas ji. Very good morning, Mr. Subhas. Very good morning. This is Narendra. And on behalf of online, ACE Online, I promise you, we will be with you for your preparation. And we will see like Vasu, who has selected as a State Bank of India provisionary officer. You should also be. Okay? Fine. Now, 6. Anyone answer the question? Arey wow, Subhas. What is the option? Option C. No, Subhas. No. It's a B. Option B. Aman sir, I was expecting you. By this time, you will answer the question. Okay. Dhanlakshmi, am I right? Option B. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Please ask me. You are in a very crucial stage of your life. In a year or 2, you will settle in the job. So, we will definitely help you in this area. Next question. Here. So, what is the question? Let me read and then I will give 15 seconds for you. That is Mr. Aishwarya. Very good morning, madam. Very good morning. And Dhanlakshmi, 6 years. 6 years was the answer. Wow, right, Dhanlakshmi. Well done. Okay, now coming to this one. The ratio of the present age of Giri. One question will comes from this chapter. Make sure that the moment you read the question in the examinations, your answer is ready in few seconds. So, the present age ratio is, that's a 5:8. Next, 12 years hence, the ratio of the age will be 11:14. Find the difference of their present age. Come on, Dhanlakshmi, you are doing so nice. Come on, Mr. Pawar, Sumit Pawar. So, I give you 15 seconds to think of it. Think of it, please. Come on, my friends. Come on, I am sure some of you will be able to answer them. 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2, 1 and 0. Time up. So now, let's answer the question. I will go with the second method. Then Lakshmi madam, Aman sir, option 6 years. Oh, wow, Mr. Aman, from Bihar. Well done, Aman. Well done. Then Lakshmi, do you agree? Do you agree? Aishwarya madam, do you agree with Aman? Aman is a very dynamic boy. So let's go with the second approach. The second approach is that 5:8 is the present one. After 12 years, what is happening? What is the ratio here? Now Sumit Pawar, what is the ratio here? 11:14. Right? So I need to equate them. Here, what is the difference from here to here? There are 3 parts. Now from here to here, there are 6 parts. They are not equal. So in order to make these two equal, what I am going to do is this one. Notice that, my friends, what is the difference of these 2 parts? 3. With 3, multiply the opposite terms of the ratio. That is, it will become 33 and it will become 14/3 is 42. Okay. And what is next? So take the difference from here. So here also 3, the difference. 3 into 5 is 15 and 3/8 is 24. Okay, I am making a small mistake over here because I can see the difference over here is 6 and the difference over here is 6. So in both the cases the difference is same. In that case I don't need this one because both the cases the difference is same. And if the difference is 6 parts and this 6 parts represents how many years? 12 years, then one part will be 2 years. So what I need to find out? The difference of the present age. So one part will be 2 years. What is the difference here? Look at this one. How many parts difference? 3 parts. When one part is equal to 2 years, then 3 parts will be 6 years. And Aman is right. And Subhash ji, well done. ये छोटे क्वेश्चन है, but it comes in the examination. It's a scoring area. Dhanlakshmi, are you agree here? Sumit Pawar ji, option B. That's right. Anusha madam, Aishwarya madam, am I right? Okay, let's move on to the next question. I will read it and then I will give you 15 seconds to digest the question, right? Fine. So what is the question? Average. The average age of a woman and her daughter is 19 years. Then Lakshmi and Sumit Pawar. The ratio of the age of woman and daughter is 16:3. Respectively. The daughter's age, what is the daughter's age is? Now, here it is your 15 seconds to see and respond it. Come on. That's a very simple question. Come on. Answer it. Dhanlakshmi, please answer it. And Aman, answer it. Okay, time up. Now, here what I see is the average age of the woman and daughter is 19 years. Then what will be the total? 2 persons are there. The average is 19. The total will be 19 into 2 is 38. So this is what the total age is, 38. And the ratio is given to us. I need the daughter's age. The daughter's age is 3 parts out of Mr. Aman. 16 plus 3, that is 19, and I notice that this gets cancelled 2 times. 2 into 3 is 6. Option B. Right, Anusha, right. Then Lakshmi, Subhas, is it option B? Simple questions, but it comes in the exam. Next question is here. The average of the present age of K and L is 18 years. So you know the total. After 4 years, the age of K and L will be in the ratio of 4:7. So here in this case it was the present ratio. That is 16:3. 16:3 is the present ratio. Now here it says after 4 years their age ratio will be 4:7. What will be the age of K after 3 years? After 3 more years is different than after 3 years. After 3 more years means after 4 years and plus another 4 years. But it didn't say after 3 more years. It is only said after 3 years. Now here is your 15-second time. Answer it, my friends. Come on. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2, 1 and time up. Now move on to the next. See the solution here. Now the present average is 18. The total will be 18 into 2. That is 36. Now what will be their age after 4 years? Then K age will increase by 4. L age will increase by 4. That means the total will increase 4 plus 4, 8. So add 8 over here. And after 4 years, their age ratio is in the ratio of 4:7. I need to find out the case age. So this is after 4 years. Now let's find out what was the case age after 4 years. So here it comes. The K is a 4 part out of 4 plus 7, 11 parts. Then Lakshmi, please respond this. Now you can notice that here it is 44 with 44. It is 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. So write down over here. And it is 11. With 11 you cancel 4 times 4, 4, 16. So the age of K is 16. When? So it is after 4 years. I need to find out the age after 3 years. So how do I get this? From 16 if I take out 4, I will get the present age. And I need after 3 years, then add 3 to it. So in other words, basically from 16 you are subtracting 1. So you get this as 15 years. Let me, and the option is C. Option C. Anyone answer the question? Wow, Aman. What a response, what a response. And Anusha, what a response. Do you agree? Sumit sir, are you agree? Then Lakshmi madam, do you agree on this option? Please put your comment. Please put your comment. If you need the repetition, you can ask me, you can demand me. Okay. Now, next question. Here, let me read the question, then I will give 15 seconds for you to respond. 3 years ago, the average age of husband, wife and child is 26 years. So you can find out the total age of the 3 years ago. 26 into 3. Okay. And that of the wife and child 5 years ago is 20 years. Wife and child's average age 5 years ago was 20 years. What's the question? Then present age of husband is. Come on. Then, yeah, Subhash. Please answer the question. Here is your 15 seconds. Come on, answer the question. Answer it. Together we will practice. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 and time up. Let's move on. Here. So, what is 3 years ago their total? That is 26 into 3. That is 3 years ago. And plus, if I want to get the present age, so everyone's age will increase by 3. Increase by 3. Like that, how many people are there? There are 3 people are there. What will be the total increase? 9. So add 9 here. You are getting the present age of these 3 people. And that is nothing but 6, 3 is 18. Then carry 1, 6 and 1, 7. And the total comes that 78, 80. 7. Am I right? 87 is the total of these 3 people. Now, coming to the total age of the wife and child, 5 years ago, average was 20, the total was 40. So the total was 40, then what will be their present age? The present age will be 40 plus. It is 5 years ago, the total was 40. Then 5 years, wife will age will increase, child age will increase by 5, total is 10 plus 10. So the total I get this as 50. So this is wife and child total present age. This is husband, wife and child. So what is the age of husband? So I can see the difference, which is nothing but 37. Option choice A. Let me see. Anyone answer the question? Vanusha, Dhanlakshmi. No, previous one, Dhanlakshmi, you said 15. Did you say 15? Yeah, well done, Dhanlakshmi. Well done, well done, well done. A big hats up to you. doing well, Dhanlakshmi. And Sumit Pawar, sir. Option A, 37. That's right. That's right. 37. Okay. Subhash ji, do you agree, sir? Don't miss my tomorrow class. Every day we will discuss 1 hour from 11 to 12 o'clock. Dhanlakshmi, I wanted to see you as the Reserve Bank of India officer. So it's about Subhash ji. आइए sir, next question की ओर चलते हैं. Is here. Now Dhanlakshmi, this question is for you, madam. At present, A is 3 times the B's age. A is 3 times the B's age. After 7 years, A will be twice B's age. Then, how many times A's age will be in another 14 years? In another 14 years. So, what is this ratio? After 7 years, relation is given. I need another 14 years. That means 7 years plus 14 years after 21 years. Then with respect to B's age. Come on. Then Lakshmi and Subhas, 15 seconds for you. Yeah, Subhas. Well done, my brother. Well done. 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and time up. Let's answer it now. Answer it now. Now I notice A is 3 times that of B. Okay, so I will write down over here A is equal to 3 times of B. In other word, A is to B is equal to 3 is to 1. The ratio is given. Now, and it says that after 7 years. After 7 years. So, what is the ratio between the A and B? Then the A will be twice that of B's age. A is to B. A will be 2 times that of B's age. Please notice Subhas here. After how many years, sir? Look at this, the beauty here, the trick we apply here. And that is after 7 years. So, what is the ratio? Previously it was this one. Now it is this part. Check the difference. Here the difference is 1, but the here difference is 0. So we need to modify this ratio. So how do we modify this one? Just learn this one. I am sure all of you will get 1 marks from this side. So here notice the difference from here, multiply these two. What is the gap? 1. So 1 into 3 will remain as 3 and 1 into 1 will remain as 1. Now coming to this part, what is the gap over here? In 2 terms, that is 2. With 2 multiply the opposite terms, that 2 into 2 which is 4, Subhas, and 2 into 1 which is 2. Now you can see that this is 3 and this is 4. What is the difference? 1 part. And this is 1 and this is 2. What is the difference? 1 part, Aman. And 1 part is equal to how many years difference? 7 years difference. So here I conclude 1 part is equal to 7 years. Then what is this one? 3 parts. 3, 7, that is 21. And by. Now that is 7 into 1 is 7. And I need to find out the ratio after 14 years more than Lakshmi. 14 years more. So that is already 7 years plus another 14 years means 21 years. So add 21 over here and add 21 over here. Any doubt you please ask me. I am at your disposal. Then this is 42 by 28. What is the ratio? 42, 28 with 14 3 times and with 14 2 times. 3 is to 2. So if this ratio is 3 is to 2, then the question is A's age is how many times? A's age will be how many times of B's age? Is it not 3 divided by 2, Subhas? That is 1.5. So let me see how many of you answer the question. Anusha says option D. Aman says option D. Come on, Subhas, Sumit. Now you are understanding. It's option D. Dhanlakshmi, is that clear to you? Subhas, is this clear to you, my friend? Small questions, but gives 1 marks, my friend. It definitely comes in every exam. I will move forward. Dhanlakshmi, can you respond? Subhas sir, can you respond? Okay, next question. Look at this. What is this next question is all about? At present, Tarun is twice the age of Vishal. So we have the ratio of Tarun and Vishal. And half the age of Roshan. And. So the same ratio is continuing. So we have the age ratio of Tarun, Vishal and Roshan. Mr. Subhas. After 4 years, the Tarun will be 1.5 times of Vishal. Tarun will be 1.5 times of Vishal and Roshan will be 2.5 times of Vishal age. What is Roshan's present age? So here is your 15 second. Aman, please answer the question. At last I will discuss your doubt. Aman, this question is very easy. Only we have to understand the question. Yeah, that's right, Aman. That's right. Oh, the time is over and the Aman has said option A. Let me check option A is correct, Aman. That's right. That's right. Well done. Well done. Now, here the Tarun is twice as age as the Vishal. So the Tarun is twice of Vishal. So 2:1 ratio. And half the age of Roshan. Roshan's half. That means Roshan will be double. That is 4. This is the ratio given, Aman. And the next one, after 4 years, we have a ratio, another ratio here. After 4 years. And what is that ratio? Tarun will be 1.5 times of Vishal. That means if the Tarun is, Vishal is 1, this is 1.5. If this is 2, this is 3. So let's take that. If this is 2, this will be 3. And Roshan will be 2.5 times of Vishal. So this is 2. So what is 2.5 times? 5. This ratio is there. Now I will use the trick here again. Did you notice that from here to here one part, from here to here one part, from here to here one part, and this one part is equal to how many years? Dhanlakshmi? 4 years. So when one part is equal to 4 years, your question is, what is the Roshan's present age? The Roshan's present age is 4 parts. So one part is 4 years, then 4 part is 16 years. Yes, Mr. Pawar? Yeah, Sumit Pawar, rightly answer the question. Well done, sir. Well done. Okay. Next question, my friends, is here. Let me read the question and after that I will give 15 seconds to you. Every day we will practice together 1 hour, 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. And don't forget to attend the Aishwarya Madam class in the evening, that is 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock reasoning class. Okay? Fine, sir. So at present, Aruna's age is 1.5 times that of Poojan's and twice the age of Somi. After 6 years, the Aruna will be 1.4 times the age of Poojan and Somi will be 0.8. Look at this one, 0.8 times the age of Poojan. What is the present age of Soni? Similar to the previous question. Now here is your 15 second. Answer it, my friends, answer it. Come on, answer it. सुमित पवार रॉक कर रहे हो सर, शरद पवार की तरह. Dhanlakshmi, please response, madam. If you don't know, don't worry, you will learn. Oh, time up. Time up. Now, so I will take that. Anyone answer the question? It says that Sumit says 16. No, not this question. Acha, okay. So we have that Arun here, Poojan here, Somi here. And what it is said that Arun is 1.5 times the age of Poojan. So if the Poojan is 1, this is 1.5. If Poojan is 2, this is 3. Because we don't write the ratio in decimal. and twice the age of Somi. Who? Arun. Arun is twice the age of Somi. So Somi should be 1.5. So I will convert this into this multiply by 2. This will become 3. This is 6 and this is 4. Okay. This is 4 and this is 6. This is what I got the ratio here. Ratio 1. And it is said that after 6 years, what is happening? The another ratio is there of these 3 people. And what is that ratio? The Arun is 1.4 times of a Pujan. So is it not 1.4 times? If this is 1, 1.4. If this is 14, this is 10. And the ratio is 7:5. Okay. So this ratio is 7:5. And it is said that Pujan and Sony is 0.8 times of Pujan. What is 0.8 times? So if I say that 0.8 times Sony is 0.8 times of Pujan, so that means if the Pujan is 1, it is 0.8. If the Pujan is 10, this is 8. So that means this ratio is 5:4. So 5 is already there. Write down 4 over here. Now we will use our short trick. Look at this one. From here to here, one part. From here to here, one part. From here to here, one part. One part represents 6 years. Then 6 part, how many years? 4 part, how many years? What is the sum of their age? So that is 13 parts. What is the difference of their ages? We can find out everything. Now it is said that what is the Sony's age after 4 years? What is the present age of Sony? The present age of Sony is 3 parts and 3 parts is equal to 18. And what is the age of Sony after 4 years? 18 plus 4 and that gives us 22. And option choice D. Anyone answer the question? Okay, Dhanlakshmi. Bajasnama. That's right, Dhanlakshmi. Aman, Anusha. Okay, that's right. Sumit Pawarji, do you agree? Rojo Assa Dhanlakshmi, please do come 1 hour with together, we'll practice. Huh? Okay, Aman sir, come on. Now the next one, next question. Here, what is this question is? That is the ratio of the age of Mahesh and Nilesh is 5:x. 5:x. So in a ratio we have a variable. Mahesh is 18 years younger to Ramesh. So what does it mean? That is Ramesh minus Mahesh is 18 years is given. And the next one. After 9 years, Ramesh will be 47 years old. After 9 years, 47 years old. That means what is the present age? 47 minus 9 and that comes 38. So it is given to us is the Ramesh age is 38 years. And what is next? If the difference between the age of Mahesh and Nilesh is the same as the age of Ramesh. So Mahesh and Nilesh. Mahesh minus Nilesh. Different ante mod. So it could be Mahesh minus Nilesh or Nilesh minus Mahesh. And what is that? Equal to the age of Ramesh, which is 38 years. Now what is next? What is the value of x? I need to find the value of x. And what is this x is? This is Mahesh and this is Nilesh. So if I can get the Mahesh age and the Nilesh age, I will get the x value. Your 15 seconds starts from here. Come on, my friends. Come on, answer the question. That's a wonderful question. I'm sure you can answer it. 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and time up. Time up. So, how do we answer these questions? Let us look at this once. So, here I already know that the Ramesh age 38 and the M is 18. So, what is M? The M will go the other side. So, the R minus 18. So, R is 38. 38 minus 18 is 20. So, let's take this one. The M is equal to 20. Once I got the M is equal to 20, then what is N? So m minus n is possible? No, m minus n cannot be 38. So what will I go for that? Then it will be n minus m, 38. Then what will be m? The m will go other side. N minus 38, that comes 58. So I get this n as 58. And from here, what I am expected to do? I know that this 5 represents how many years? That is the age of m, that's 20 years. That means when I, what is the divisor? Divide by 5, you are getting 4. So in order to get the 5, you need to divide 20 by 4. So in order to get the value of x, what you have to do? You have to, that is n, 58. You have to divide 58 by 4. So you will get the x value. And what is that? So that is 4, 1, 4 and 4, 4, 16 and 4, 5, 20. So 14.5, option choice D. Look at your option. Anyone answer the question? 14.5, that's right, Aman. Well done, well done. Well done. Dhanlakshmi, Shudamma, clear ayinda leda? If you have any doubt, please ask me. And you can always ask question, post your doubts. Yeah, on WhatsApp, please post your doubt. I will discuss your doubts in my class. Right. So, do I have the time? Yeah, 10 minutes time is there. I will move on to the next question. Here is a question, Aman, for you. And the last I will discuss your doubts, sir. Aman, Arun is celebrating his birthday today. Okay. His next birthday, he will be twice, his age will be twice the age that was 12 years ago. Whatever his age was 10 years back, he will be twice of that in next birthday. So, Arun's age, here is your 15 second. Come on. Come on, it's a very simple question. Very simple question, my young friends. 2 seconds, 1 second, and time up. Let's move on. How do we answer it? It is said that of next year, let's assume that the Arun's present age is P. So if the present age is P, next year plus 1, what will happen? He will be 2 times. 2 times of which age, Aman? So 2 times of the age 12 years ago. 12 years ago is nothing but P minus 12. That's all. When you solve this one, you get the value of P. So here I notice that what happens here, that is 2P minus 24. So bring the P over here. You are getting that, okay, 2P. P is equal to, that's 24 plus 1 will be 25, I think, right? Am I right? Here that's 24. 2P minus 24. So when the 20P comes over here, that's become P, and 24 plus 1 is 25. I think the option is not there. The is question 25 years. Yes, that's right, sir. So the option is not there here. I will change this to 25 years. Right, sir? Okay. Well done, Aman. Very fast, very quick. And this year, I wish that you can clear the PO exam, Aman. Other day you are talking about clerk, but I wish you can clear the PO exam. Okay. Then next question is here. Look at this. Amit's present age is 2/5 of Shruti's age 5 years ago. Amit's present age is 2/5 of Shruti's age 5 years ago. Okay, what is next? Shruti age is, age after 5 years will be 6 more than twice the Amit's age at that time. So what is given? Shruti says after 5 years, S plus 5 will be equal to 6 years more than twice the Amit's age at that time. So 2 times of Amit age at that time, that means after 5 years. And how much more? 6 years more than twice the Amit's age at that time. What's the question? Then find the present age of Shruti. What is S? Here is your 15 second. I will not interact here. If you please like the video, share the video, my friends. Subscribe it if you have not subscribed. Lakshmi, Dhan Lakshmi को दे आंसर चाहिए डालिए. Sumit sir, आंसर कीजिए. Oh, time up. Okay. Now, what I am going to do now? So, did you notice that here the A some value is there here? From here, can I get any equation? Yes, I can get the equation between A and S. So, the 5 will come over here. That's 5A. Okay. Now, this 2S will come in this side, the minus 2S, which is equal to, that is minus 10. Minus 10. Done? And from here, will I get any equation? Dhanlakshmi and Subhas sir, we will get one equation over here. This is 2A. So that comes, that is S minus 2A. Right? So what is the next one? 2 into 5, that is 10. And 10 plus 6, that is 16. And when this 5 will go other side, then 16 minus 5, which is 11. Did you notice that we have the two equation here? 5A minus 2S is equal to minus 10, and S minus 2A, which is equal to 20. So what if I multiply this equation by 2? So I get this as 2S minus 4A, which is equal to 22. And then consider this as equation 1, consider this as equation 2. From if I add up these two equations, this is minus and this is plus will get cancelled. So I will get this as 5A minus 4A, that is A, which is equal to, we are adding up these two, right? So what comes over here? Will it be, did I go anywhere wrong? What is the answer? Sir, this question is 25 years. Yeah, that's right. So here what happens if you solve this one? Then this is 2S minus 4A. So when you are adding this gets cancelled, and here you get the A as you are adding this part. So therefore it is 12. A is equal to 12. What is the question? Find the present age of S. So as I know that, replace the A value in any one of this, that is A is equal to 12. There is 24. Take the 24 the other side. So minus 10 plus 24. So are we making any mistake over here? Why not to replace this S A over here? Then 12 into 2, that is 24. And when 24 goes the other side, 35. The S is equal to 35. Option choice C. Option choice C. Anyone answer the question? Dhanlakshmi, Ardhavinda, if you understood it, then please put the comment. Yes, Aman, C is the answer. That's right. Next question. Is the time is up. 3 minutes is there. We can answer this next question. Okay. The age of father is 4 times age of son. So father to son age is given to us, which is 4:1. 5 years ago, the father age was 7 times the age of his son minus 5 years. 5 years ago, the father age was 7 times the son's age. Then what is the father's present age? Yes, the question is simple, very simple. Your 15 seconds starts here. Answer it. Come on, chaliye answer kijiye. Aman says 40 years, option B. That's right. That's right, Mr. Aman. You rightly answer the question because you know one fact. What do you know? One fact is from here there are 3 parts are there. With 3 multiply this one, you will be getting 7 3 is 21 and 3 1 is 3. Here the difference is 6. With 6 you multiply these two. 6 4 is 24 and 6 1 is 6. The difference from here to here is minus 3 and minus 3. When 3 part represents 5 years, then what is the present age of father? So father's age is 4 parts. 3 part is equal to how many? Okay. So this is 3 part is equal to 5 years. Then 24 part is equal to how much? 24 parts. Can you see that this is 8 times? So obviously this is 8 times, which is 40. Rightly said, Aman. Rightly said. Yes. Sumit Pawar, option B. That's right. Then and Subhas, समझ रहे हैं sir? Dhanlakshmi? Now, only 1 minute is left. Allow me to explain the questions which is asked by Mr. Amit. Everyone will get benefited. Previous year question, I am thus leaving it because the time is up. I'll explain this later on. We can discuss. And this is a question, I think, where is that? Yeah, Aman. The Mr. Aman has asked this question. Let's see that what is the question he asked and what is the best way to answer this one. Now, let's answer this question. Aman ji, आपके लिए है. So, Jayesh is as much. No. This is the question. Right? Aman, आइए. The sum of rupees 7,140. This question for simple interest, compound interest. And the Aman asks the question. This is the Aman who is there on the board. Rest of the people can see that how smart he is. Now, rupees 1,740 is divided between X and Y, who are respectively 18 years and 19 years. So, Aman ji, thoda sa likh rahe hain yahan pe. So, X age is how many years? 18 years. And the Y age is how many years? 19 years. I am just writing the question here. Now, you will understand how to approach it. Now, that is their share are invested at the rate of 10% per annum at a compound interest. At attaining the age of 21, they received an equal amount. At the age of 21, so how many years the X will be? That is the total 21 years. 21 years means from here to here, you notice that how many years? 3 years. So the X amount is invested for 3 years. And what is this here? It is for 2 years. Okay. Now their amount is equal. So shall I use the compound interest formula? We know that the amount is equal to the principal into 1 plus R by 100 formula. We will apply this one. So X into 1 plus, what is R? R is 10. 10 by 100 to the whole power. How many years? Aman? 3 years. So this is 3. And this amount is equal to that Y into 1 plus same 10 by 100 to the whole power 2. This is the relation here. Now, can I notice that here, Dhanlakshmi Nukoda Josatale? So here, this is 11 by 10 and here also this is 11 by 10. Now, what is X by Y? Can I get the ratio of the principal? So, this is 11 by 10 to the whole power 3 by. This is for 2 years, right? Y. So that is 11 by 10 to the whole power 2. So what happens if you divide this one? Well, what is I need to find out? Find the value of X. is the x is here. So can I get the ratio here? We know one simple formula, a to the power m, the indices formula, a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So what will be this one? This is a to the power 3 and this is a to the power 2. So finally I will get this as a to the power 3 minus 2, which is 1. So x is to y is nothing but 11 is to 10. So x part is 11 parts, y part is 10 parts. If I need the x part, so that is 7,140 into 11 parts out of the total. How many parts? 11 parts out of 21 parts. That's over, Mr. Aman. धनलक्ष्मी अर्धम होतुंदा सुभाष जी समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ, Dhanlakshmi, so nice. Thank you for responding, Amma. So with 21, look at this one. With 21, 2 times, 3 times it gets cancelled. 3, 1, 3. And 3, 2 is 6. That's 11 minus 3 is 11 minus 3, 8. And this is 4. How many times? It 4 times and 0. Right? And this you have to multiply with 11. So this is 0 and this is 4. And this 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. And this is 3. That's over. Actually, this is what I wrote it for the explanation point of view. But this is question. You are not expected to write this part. Amanji, you are not expected to write this part. So this is what the solution is. Hope I am clear. Sharad Pawar, Sumit Pawar, hope I am clear. Dhanlakshmi, Ardham untundi. I request you post one doubt. Everyone, I request you post your doubt. I will clarify in YouTube live class. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, all my friends. With this, I wish you all the best. Requesting you all to join my tomorrow's 11 a.m. class again. Every day, we together will work for 1 hour. Evening, Aishwarya Madam class, that is 6 to 7, is a reasoning class. Thank you very much and all the best to all of you. Thank you.